Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you all how I arrange my shoe and my bags in my bedroom. So without wasting much of your time, so here is my rack where I'm going to arrange the shoes at the back. It has been a long time since I fix it and I haven't been able to arrange it. That's the reason why the place is looking like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is to remove everything and clean it. And this is the place I keep my shoe before, on top my wardrobe. This is where I keep it. So I'm just going to bring everything down and arrange it in that place. So before that, I'm going to remove all those things you see in my shoe rack earlier. Then I will clean it before arranging. So this is me. I'm trying to remove all the stuff in the rack. I will remove it, then I will go in with a little bit of rag and some spray to make sure the whole place is clean. Although there is no much dust, because even when the place is not arranged, I still clean it sometimes whenever I'm cleaning my room. So I'm just going to do that right away before arranging. So for the spray, I'm using this to clean the whole place to make sure everywhere is. So here is after cleaning, guys. You can see the way this place is shining. So I'm done cleaning the place. I'll just go ahead and arrange my shoe now. So over here I bring all my shoes down from on top of my wardrobe. These are all the shoes we have, myself and my husband. So I'm going to be arranging everything on the left side of the shoe rack. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right away. So first of all, we'll just start by using a little rag to clean on top of the carton, because we have some dust on top of it, because I kept it on top of my wardrobe like I showed you guys earlier. I will just clean it like that, then I arrange it. So the way I'm going to arrange the shoe, I'm going to arrange the cartons on top, and here is after arranging the carton, then I will arrange my heels at the middle because of my children. Then the remaining carton, I will arrange it in the last one, which is the down one. I'm just going to go ahead and continue arranging my heels like this. So stay tuned and see how I do everything. So here is after arranging everything. Like I said earlier, as you can see, I left the last rack for the remaining carton while I arrange my shoe at the center. So I hope you like this video, guys. I'm not done here. I'm still going to arrange my wig and my bag at the center one and the other side. So I'm still going to come with that video, and I hope you like this one. Please, if you do, give me a thumbs up, comment and share, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye. Stay blessed, guys. See you soon.